Equally, before I skip, I just need to tell those ones saying one-party system is no good. It's one party ruling and driving the aspiration of Nigerians. Where do they start? You don't blame a people bailing out of a sinking ship when they have no life jacket. I'm glad of what we have, and I'm expecting more to come. That is the game. We are in a constitutional democracy. Don't forget the freedom of movement and the freedom of association is not criminally punishable. Welcome to the progressives. Sweep them clean. Fellow members, of our great party and compatriots, I stand before you today at this National Policy Summit, put together by our party, brimming with profound gratitude for the sacred mandate you entrusted me with in the past 2 years. I thank you all for your unrelenting support and belief in the grand vision that we share to uplift our nation and renew our hopes and aspirations. I thank every one of you. I'm thoroughly inspired. We are just halfway through the journey that began almost 24 months ago. Therefore, this summit offers our administration the opportunity to present our scorecard. You've evaluated it. You've enumerated how far we've been. The faithfulness, the Nigerian assessing how far we have progressed in steering our country along the critical path of our socio-economic development. 2 years ago, we embarked on this journey, propelled by a burst of hope and abiding faith in Nigeria and unity and progress. Together, we pledge to confront Nigerian challenges head-on by rebuilding the trust, fostering prosperity, and restoring our nation's economic health. Today, I am proud to affirm that our economic reforms are working. There's nothing good that comes easy. All of you have been through life. I only throw a little casual decision to make it easy at the beginning. The subsidy is gone and was gone. It was gone for the good of this country. We couldn't just afford to spend the future of our children and unborn babies ahead of their birth. You don't commit abortion after the baby is born. That's murder. Through our Renew Hope agenda, our administration pledged to tackle economic instability, improve security nationwide, reduce corruption, reform governance, and lift our people out of poverty. How fast will you have reconstructed this country if you allow the arbitrage in the exchange rates to continue? That is the grandmother, father of corruption. You could see FCC recovering over 750 something houses from one person. Locally here. Yes, we encountered challenges when we assumed office in May 2023. But we have made progress by implementing difficult, long overdue, but necessary economic reforms. We have removed corruption-leading arbitrage, fuel subsidy, eliminating the arbitrage-driven multiple foreign exchange, together with our far-reaching tax reform. I hope the bills are passed and will be on their way. Senate President, Speaker, where are those tax reform bills? Because of the reforms, our country now attracts greater foreign direct investment that will ultimately create jobs and produce much needed goods and services that will significantly improve the standard of living of our people. Implementing these reforms, we invariably offended powerful elites. I can tell you at this junction, at that particular time, I got addicted to reading all the criticism and watching more televisions to see their comments. Those selfish elites today must salute the courage of every one of you. Salute Nigerians for their perseverance, their patience, their resiliency. Thank our brothers who stood firmly believing us. They fought us with everything at their disposal, but we never shall die. We are on. Thank you very much to all of you. The ordered foods are back in the market. They created artificial scarcity. They thought we must reverse the decision. They think we're going to fall apart. They think this party, political party, is a failure. No, I say, with your support, with your determination, with your resiliency. We just believe in our democracy. We must persevere, not to give up. Not because I simply say so, but because it is correct. It is not the easy way out to bankrupt the nation and leave our houses to fall apart, our road disintegrated. It's a shame if today there are communities without potable water. It is a shame that self-serving elites will not think about out-of-school children. They can concoct anything they want, but we are the progressives. We are a happy family. We will trudge on and shoulder on. We will continue to work hard, and that is my promise to you. Listening to you, the people. And the representative of our conscience and what we must do are here. In every constitution, the preface is we the people. And you are the people. I listen to you, not to them. We have the opportunity to make this continent a great one, not just Nigeria. Truly, we are the giant, but the advantages that is holding us back is indiscipline, corruption, and abuse of power. Again, I urge you to stay the course, not because it is easy, but because it is the only way we can shatter the barriers erected to prevent us from realizing the economic development that has always been our natural right to enjoy. As we navigate this challenging time, remember that we have redirected the easy money away from currency speculators and greedy barons who ran the all-subsidy regime into problem. We have directed those funds to the healthcare, education, and infrastructure. They will continue to abuse, criticize us. Keep faith, my dear brothers and sisters. Be courageous. Confront them. To those who are still contemplating, bail out of their ships. leave them in their empty vessels and noise making. The country is yours. Hold on to it tightly and greatly. This is the only time that you can correct and not complain. To me, I owe you a whole world of gratitude. The endorsement today, the carry-go inspiration, I know road. And we will lead you on to that promised land. The resuscitation of Nigeria economy is on course, is here. The hope is standing before you. Take it on. You are the leaders and the conscience of this country. Nigeria will be industrialized. We will achieve our goals. If only the first 2 years were where we're at today, then the next few years will be great. We have the mission, we have the vision. To many of you, I cannot offer the political positions, but be patient. There are so many things coming that would be great, and you'll be proud of belonging to this party. It's the party of your choice. Broom is the symbol. Sweep the dust away. Be hopeful. Renew your hope. Embrace your children. Embrace life the way it is. Nigeria will be great. We are very happy. I thank all of you for the endorsement. God bless you. God bless Nigeria.